So let us start off with the first equation of motion. So we are going to start with the acceleration formula. So acceleration is equal to what? A is equal to V minus U by T, which is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by T. Now from the graph, that is, we have identified values and kept no. What is V, children? Here it is no. V is what? OC. So OC alone you will take. So OC minus U. V minus U, no, U value is what? OD. So OC minus OD divided by T is equal to what? T is OE. Okay. So now OC minus OD, the value will be DC. Because when you see here OC minus OD, so this part will get cut off. So remaining we are left out with DC alone. So we will get DC here divided by OE. Now again you have to write A is equal to DC by T. OE I am taking it as T again. So now what will happen when you cross multiply this? So what will happen? It will become as DC is equal to AT. When you see the graph here, DC is equal to what? AB. So you have to write like DC is equal to AB is equal to AT. And from the graph we are going to write EB is equal to EA plus AB. That is, this EB is equal to this EA plus AB. Now substitute the values. EB is equal to what, children? EB you are having here, that is V. EA you are having here, it is U. Okay, and AB just now we found out AB is equal to AT. So when you substitute them, you will be getting like V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the first equation of motion. Next we are moving on to the second equation of motion. Here we are going to find the distance covered. So distance covered means it is always given as S. During the time t, it is given by the area of quadrangle. Quad means it is 4. So 4 angles. Here our quadrangle is DOEB. So see the graph, the quadrangle is DOEB. So this red region I have highlighted using a red color. So you can see here this quadrangle DOEB. This quadrangle, can you see one rectangle here? Rectangle plus triangle is called as here quadrangle. So we are going to use the formula of area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So area of quadrangle is split up into what? Area of rectangle DOEA, DOEA, and area of triangle DAB. Triangle is what? DAB. Okay. Now substitute the formula. What is the area of rectangle, children? Length into breadth. That is AE into OE. Okay. That is what we have written here. Area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. So half will come as it is. Your base will be DA and height will be AB. So AB into DA. Substitute the values. So this S is equal to, S is distance covered. We told we are going to find out the distance covered. S is equal to, AE is where it is given. It is here. It is the initial velocity U. So you have to write like AE value is U, OE is T. Already we have found and kept. Yes or no? OE is T, and plus that half in the triangle equation will come as it is formula. AB is what? We found out already. AB value is, children, AT. So AB AT into DA will be, see here, DA will be T again. So AT into T will become T square. The second equation of motion will be S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay, now we are moving on to the third equation. So we are going to consider the same quadrangle as trapezium. Now we are not going to split up into rectangle and triangle. Here we are going to consider as a whole as a trapezium. That is DOEB as a trapezium. The formula of trapezium is sum of the length of the parallel sides. So sum means what? Addition. So length is this length and this length. We are considering only this quadrangle. So this one length, it is OD, plus the other length is EB. Okay, or BE also you can write. Okay, so half into sum of the length of the parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides, which is OE. So we have here, listen, S is equal to area of trapezium DOEB. We are splitting the we are not splitting that, we are taking it as direct trapezium, that is half into sum of the length of the parallel sides. Just now we wrote OD plus BE into distance between the parallel sides. Just now we got it is OE. Now substitute the values, what all we know, that half will come as it is. OD will be where OD is. Here it is a initial velocity. So U, BE we are having here, it is V, into OE is what? It is T. Okay, now we need to find out the value of T. For that we have to bring in the acceleration formula again. Okay, so acceleration, so you are having A is equal to V minus U by T. You have to just interchange this A and T. T will go this side, A will come down, so that you will get the value of T. So substitute the value of T here. You will get as S is equal to half into this U plus V. Instead of T, you have to put this V minus U by A. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to consider all this together. That is, this S will be joining with this 2 and with this A. So you will get as 2AS. Now you will be left out with U plus V and V minus U you are left out with. What you have to do? You have to multiply them inside one by one. So U plus U into V will be UV. U into minus U will be minus U square. V into V will be plus V square. V into minus U will be minus UV. So now this UV and this minus UV and plus UV will get cancelled. Now we have V square minus U square. Yes or no? That is what we have written as 2AS is equal to V square minus 2AS. So when you rearrange this, so what will happen? This will shift to this side. So minus will become as plus. So it is as 2AS U square plus 2AS. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS is the third equation of motion. So I hope everyone understood this very clearly, and this is your assignment also. So make sure you understand first, see and derive one time, and then for assignment write without seeing and check your answers. Do self correction also. Okay children, thank you.